Well, let's solve one problem from the magnetostatics of TIFR 2025 question paper. So the problem states that a small metallic wire with mass m and electric resistance R is bent into a closed square shape S with sides A. It passes through a region of length L greater than equal L greater than A, row of length L greater than equal greater than A, which a magnetic field B in the Z direction, right? If the initial velocity V0 x of the square is large enough that it emerges out of the P from the right. So what is the final velocity of S after it completely emerges from P? So we need to calculate the final velocity after it completely emerges from rho. In this problem, a conducting square of side A mass M resistance R enters and leaves that uniform magnetic field Bz. When inside the region, the area intersecting the field remains constant, so no induced EMF while fully inside. EMF only occurs when the loop is entering or exiting the field. The question especially tasks us the final velocity after emerging, that is the net deceleration effect of the traversal. So kinetic energy loss is equal to energy dissipated. So we can write the kinetic energy loss equal to energy dissipated. Right? Suppose the takes a time delta t equal to a by v0 to exit. Means the side A passes through the ground. During this time, the EMF opposes motion, generating a retarding force. The retarding force during exit is so the retarding force during exit is F equal to I into R, I into B. This is that we have studied from the theory that we plane A into A into B. So we have A square B square R into V. The equation of motion during the exit only. So the equation of motion during the exit only can write m dv by dt equal to minus a square v square r into v, integrating over the time. So integrating over time delta t equal to a by v0. So we have v by v equal to minus v square by mr into dt. Right. Integrate v from v0 to a. So you will be integrating v from v0 to bf and t from 0 to a by v0, right? So we get ln bf by v0 is equal to minus a cube B square M R B0. Right, so our B0 we can write BF equal to B0 into exponential minus A cube B square M R B0. Right, so BF expression of the BF integral. Or we can write that BF equal to B0 1 minus A cube B square M R B0 whole square. This square factor arises if the deceleration occurs both while entering and while exiting the field region. Indeed, entering and exiting each cause a decrement of this one. And over both intervals, the cumulative energy loss yields a square factor. So while both entering and exiting, the cumulative energy loss yields a factor square. This approach is consistent with the option A. Thus, the option A having a square dependence, right? So, the option A will be our correct answer for this problem. Hope the solution as well as uh, the explanation of the problem is clear. So thank you.